just changed everything about how they release iPhones. And most people have no idea. Apple is shaking things up in 2026. Instead of dropping 4 iPhones in the fall, only the iPhone A20 Pro and Pro Max are coming in this September, and the standard models don't arrive until spring 2027. So what are you actually getting this September from Apple's themselves? The biggest upgrade is the A20 Pro chip, Apple's first built-own 2-nanometer processor. Smaller nanometers means more power, better efficiency, and longer battery life. The camera is getting a variable aperture lens, which means it can physically adjust how much light hits the sensor, giving you more control over exposure and depth of field. That's something we've never seen on an iPhone before. The dynamic island is getting smaller, with Face ID's flood illuminator moving under the display. Cleaner front and less bezel, light blue, dark gray, and silver. This is Apple's biggest hardware year in a long time. If you're on an older iPhone, September is the moment to make a change. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe for an iPhone 18 discount when it's been released.